Hey, what's up? NM, NBD, just making some DIYC. Yeah, you know me, and I know you, and you want your wings delicious. This is Grill Made's sweet and smoky rub, some Frank's hot sauce, and some melted butter. Pour it in, dash it on, and by dash I mean go to town. So delicious. This is gonna add a little bit of sweet to that hot. Stir it up. Ready? Wings ready. The next thing you can do is you can take a sandwich, some boring, why am I eating this sandwich? And you can add French's Dijon mustard. Put it in your mayonnaise, because we're gonna put the hay in mayonnaise. Add a little McCormick Cajun, dump that in there. I like a lot, I like it a little spicy. Stir it up. Put it on your bread. Close it up, and you've got yourself condiments done right. You're welcome. Oh, you're still here? Okay.